Best low and far infrared sauna. Number 1. MCP, Low and Far Infrared Sauna. In our opinion, it is a comfortable two-person sauna. As the floor heater needs space, for this reason we are calling it a 2/3 person. But the bench is longer than an ordinary two-person, so it does give more room to stretch out. Why choose a sauna? Just some of the benefits: sleep better, stimulate blood circulation, increase metabolism, prevent heart disease, relax tired muscles/joints, heal colds and flu, eliminate fatigue, clean and nourish skin, reduce fat and keep fit, relieve muscle and joint pain, flush toxins from the body. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Dynamic, Low and Far Infrared Sauna. Beneficial home sauna. Home sauna that generates far infrared heat that helps with joint pain, increased circulation, and removing toxins from your body. Lightweight and simple assembly. Constructed from natural hemlock wood that is lightweight yet durable and features a simple clasp-together assembly. Safe heat circulation. Features 6 carbon heating elements and a roof vent that help provide safe heat and air circulation. MP3 connection and control panels. Convenient features include MP3 auxiliary connection and interior and exterior control panels. Chromotherapy reading light. Interior chromotherapy lighting provides added health benefits and allows you to read and relax. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Restyling, Low and Far Infrared Sauna. Near zero EMF, certificated EMF, under 2 milligrams, enjoy healthy far infrared sauna experience. Preheat quickly, 5 effective carbon heating panels. It may take 15 to 25 minutes to preheat. 9 changing lights, 9 chromotherapy lights, provide added health benefits. Use the remote, choose your favorite lighting and brightness. Made from a Canadian hemlock wood, heat resistant, lasting and durable. Benefits of using sauna's room. Far infrared sauna room can help you remove toxins from your body, increase circulation and boost your immune system. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Life Pro, Low and Far Infrared Sauna. One-person infrared sauna uses far infrared to heat your body from the inside out, helping you sweat out toxins, improve your circulation and boost your immune system. Our dry sauna for home combine penetrating fur and standard 7-color chromotherapy to relieve joint and muscle pain, for improved mobility and accelerated recovery. Convenient as an indoor sauna, the Rejuva Cure provides anti-aging, cellular health benefits for optimal skin wellness with this sauna infrared. It is a traditional sauna. The far infrared saunas for home stimulates your metabolism through heat, but without moving air, so it's safer for sensitive skin. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Homesido, Low and Far Infrared Sauna. Home personal sauna that generates far infrared heat that helps with joint pain, increased circulation, and removing toxins from your body. It is the best choice for giving Christmas and holiday gifts to family members and elders. Install 1200 watts low EMF carbon crystal heating plates and negative lawn oxygen bar that help provide safe heat and air circulation. It allows you to ensure the oxygen content in the air while taking a sauna, just like experiencing sauna in the forest. Made of natural hemlock wood, lightweight but durable, it is a good heat insulation material, and paired with strong, high temperature resistant tempered glass, it has a reliable service life. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.